the reason that it stands out in people's memories is because there's an emotional surprise there. There's a giant gorilla with a tiny, tiny, tiny helpless kitten and being gentle and loving toward that kitten.
Koko rhymed a name for her new kitten. She called him All Ball because to her the cat looked like a little ball. Koko adored All Ball, and they spent countless hours playing together. And yet, it was by loving the little tailless kitten that Koko learned one of life's hardest lessons. One evening, All Ball was tragically killed on a nearby logging road. Koko was heartbroken.
Koko, All Ball, hit by a car.
I went in right away and I said, Koko, something's happened to your kitty and he won't be here anymore. You know, the cat has died.
Penny stayed with Koko to comfort her. And later, privately, Koko expressed her grief.